There's a middle lane for you there. So what makes you worry about the car behind you then when you're on a hill?
I think it's just the fact I don't really trust.
Trust yourself.
Yeah, just confidence and trust in myself that I'm not going to roll back and cause an accident, I suppose.
As we get further on this estate, there's usually some building work, so we might come across some road traffic temporary signs, or even lots of mud on the ground. But there's going to be a big hill.
Okay.
I think it's the biggest one in Milton Keynes.
Oh, lovely.
I might be wrong. I'm sure someone's going to correct me if I'm wrong. Steepest, possibly. So if you're watching this and you do driving lessons in Milton Keynes and you're worried about hill starts, then come to Medball. It's all uphill here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just a gradual.
I think that's sometimes the thing. Sometimes you don't realise you're on a hill.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're taking the next right turn.
Okay.
And then we're going to stop halfway up that hill.
Okay. Sounds lovely.
So that's a right turn here, please, Charlotte. And then we'll pull up that lamppost, that one there. So it's a nice little hill. Well, steepish. That's it. I just realised I've not introduced you to everyone. This is Charlotte, by the way.
Hello, everyone.
So, handbrake neutral. And when I was asking you to come to the estate then, what you worried about the car behind you and you're worried about making an accident, causing an accident. But what can you do to stop that?
Put the handbrake on.
Handbrake on, yeah.
And then prepare yourself with your pedals.
Yeah, make sure you're in
neutral. Well, first gear.
First gear. That'll cause an accident neutral on a hill.
Yeah.
First gear. First gear.
Yeah.
First gear, make sure you get the biting point with power on.
Yeah.
And if it's not a steeple, you might get away with, like I say, on that one there, just a little bit of off the brake gas biting point.
Yeah.
And that's the trick, isn't it? But when you know it's a hill, always use your handbrake.
Yeah, no, wiser to.
So we're going to move off and we're going to go left.
Okay.
Do you want any help?
I think I might need a little bit more guidance on if I've got enough power or not on the gas. Or
how much power do you reckon you're going to need?
Medium amount. Enough to get the car moving.
Yeah, yeah. I suppose the hardest bit is if you got a hill start and it's a roundabout, or a busy junction you want to get out. But when you pull off the side of the road, there's no pressure because you're looking round. If it's clear, you can pull off at a slow speed.
Yeah.
If it doesn't move, it just needs a little bit more power, a little bit more clutch.
Yeah, you've got to get the balance between the both.
Yeah. Let's have a try.
Okay. Right, so put my head first. That sounds about right.
That sounds, yeah. Have a look round.
Oh, see, not enough.
No, that's
just
fine.
A bit more.
If it does that,
so
handbrake on.
back on.
Have a look round again. And then just release the handbrake a little bit. Handbrake back on. No. So if it rolls, what you can do, when you release the handbrake, you can go straight back on. Yeah. And adjust your left foot. Because the left foot's too low, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was fine the first time, but you didn't have enough power and you weren't looking around. So we've got to say, think of that handbrake as an elastic band. As it goes down, straight back up it can come before you even start rolling.
Yeah.
Right? Or if you're worried about the guy behind you, straight back on the brake. And then handbrake on, gas, and a little bit more biting point. It's a left foot a bit lower.
Okay. So.
Gas, biting point. A little bit more on the clutch. More. Have a look round. Now see him coming up the road now.
Yeah.
Hold your feet still and wait. Because it wants to pull off. If you hear that noise, the car's trying to pull forward. Keep the gas on.
Oh.
Gas came off then.
Yeah. So now we just need to
clutch down a little bit. Otherwise, you're going to try and kangaroo forward, isn't it? Start the car. And then just go gas and biting point. Have a look round again. Get your biting point higher. There it is. Release the handbrake a little bit.
There we go. Ooh.
That's it. That's it. Just keep doing that, haven't we?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's go left at the end of here. So we're going to try and visit some more hills. I think when you don't think about it, you probably do it.
Yes.
Because you're overthinking it, you're trying to do too much.
Yeah.
Left at the roundabout.
Okay.
Because I've seen you do it other times perfectly.
Yeah.
I had a similar sort of thing a couple of years ago with another student who was really good at driving and they just didn't like hills. And we spent the lesson doing hills, which helped her on the test. Because you're always going to get a hill on the test.
Oh, yeah.
If you think about the different types of hills, the ones at the side road where you pull off the side road, there's no pressure. Because if it's people driving past you, you won't pull off.
No.
It's the junctions or the roundabouts where there's more pressure.
Definitely.
Because when you stop and give way to traffic, someone stops behind you, don't they?
Yeah.
9 times out of 10.
Yeah.
If it's a busy area, there's always someone behind you. And everyone checks the rear view mirror, and at that point, you ignore what's behind you and concentrate on how you want to pull off. Anyway, we're going to come to the end of the road. We're going to do a right emerge at the end.
Okay.
But there's nothing behind us, so we're just going to stop at the line.
Okay.
Or stop where the line might be, because I think it's unmarked junction.
Okay.
So it's just past that speed bump, which makes it a little bit harder as well.
Yeah.
So it's on a hill, bit of a speed bump at the same time. We're going to do a right turn at the end.
Okay.
And stop where you think the line's going to go across, because it's not marked up there.
Out here, I think.
Bit more.
Ooh.
First gear, first gear, first gear.
Not enough power that time.
Yeah, not enough power. You could always use your handbrake here, couldn't you?
Yeah, because we're on
And
a hill.
then gas on. That's it. Have a look. And keep the power on. More power, more power. That's it. Just to get up the hill.
So about that.
And then gas and biting point. It's actually flat here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just that first bit where the speed
Actually,
bump was.
funny enough, that bit was actually the hill.
Yeah, the hill was where the speed bump was.
Yeah.
And it's always hard when you get half on the speed bump and half off. Because your back wheels are going to roll.
Yeah.
It's going to pull you back. I mean, I didn't know it was going to be flat like that. I just know it was uphill at that point.
Yeah.
But yeah, if there's no marked junction and you can't see where the white line is because there's nothing there, then you could always play it short and then pull forward, like you did then. Off we come here.
Yeah.
So these roads are not going to be difficult for you
No.
because you've driven on more difficult roads than this. It's just the hills.
Yeah.
So let's pull over here for a second. Typical sort of thing you're going to get in your test. As soon as you stop, you're going to say, off you go when you're ready.
Yeah.
That's it.
In first.
Cancel your signal.
Test signal. Check again. And
Do you want to use the handbrake?
yes, because we're on a slight.
On a slight hill, isn't
Yeah.
it? If you felt it, then it's straight away.
Yeah.
And that's the right thing to do. And then remember, don't rush the clutch. Just take your time. There's no rush. Keep the power going. That's it. Because if you're lifting the clutch up, that power's got to go down, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's just going to slow down and stop. But as soon as you felt that little roll, straight on the brake, you went handbrake on. It's the right thing to do. At the end of it, we're going to turn left, but we're going to stop at the line. There's an out behind us. It's a nice little hill for you.
Oh, right.
We'll stop at the white line. I know it's clear, but we're going to use that hill again.
Yeah.
And we'll definitely use the handbrake here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're going to roll a lot.
Oh yeah, well, like you end up down.
You will, you end up down the road. So you can see there's a gap behind him.
Yeah.
Start getting ready for the gap. More power, more power. There it is. There's your power. So it's a lot more, so you can hear it.
Yeah.
Because when you lift the clutch up, the power helps it, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
But if you haven't got the power on, it's just going to go quiet and stop.
Yeah. Right, the amount of power.
So we're just going to pull over somewhere convenient and safe. You can choose somewhere. That's a steep one, isn't it?
Oh, here you can.
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Bit close to that, but
Yeah.
at the end of the day, you've got to get out. Not me. You'll do the driving. Think of it like that. How I'm going to get out.
Yeah.
So that's it for hill starts. We're going to continue doing some hill starts on the lesson. So we'll see you next time. If you want to watch a video on hill starts, by the way, I'll put another one at the top.